First of all, I'd like to thank you for the invitation. It is an honor to have the opportunity to join such a great conference. My name is Thailand Thayarangsi.
My name is Varee Chiangmai.
My name is Wichipasa Donawipong. We are representatives from Varee Chiangmai School, Thailand. Our presentation consists of three main parts as follows. First is the activities of GLOBE Club in the school. Second is the success of Varee GLOBE Club. And third is the next step of Varee GLOBE Club.
GLOBE program began in our school by being one of the science subjects that junior high school students must study. In this subject, we learn how to observe the environment using the GLOBE protocol as shown in the slide. In the cloud protocol, we learn about different types of clouds, their characteristics, and how to classify them. In soil protocol, we learn how to test the soil properties and the role of soil moisture in the ecosystem, agriculture, and water resource management.
The hydrosphere protocol is an activity. We learn how to assess the water quality. We have measured a lot of parameters such as the water pH, temperature, stability, and DO or dissolved oxygen. Understanding these parameters will help us to evaluate the health of aquatic ecosystem and identify the potential sources of the pollution too. And with the suitable weather conditions for mosquitoes spreading and bleeding, we also study on the mosquito protocol as well.
Another important protocol is the biometry protocol. In this protocol, we learn how to measure the canopy cover, the tree height, the tree trunk circumference, and how to calculate the tree carbon storage. Luckily, our school is in a very good position. We have all these four protocols to learn. So we do all of the activity we just said in our own school area. You can see the river behind our school and many trees in the school area. So we learn from the environment we live in every single day. I think this is very meaningful because being observant about the changes in the environment around us is a part of citizen science, which can be a very powerful tool to addressing environmental issues.
In addition to outdoor exploring, we have also learned about the relations between Earth components, including the impacts that occur on each component, both impacting itself and other components. As you can see in this slide, carbon travel activities. This is where we pretend ourselves as carbon atoms circulating the various environmental forms, and it made us realize that how much of our human activities can impact the greenhouse effect and climate changing issues.
Learning through cases of environmental issues occurring locally help us to understand the root causes of the problem and the resulting impact more clearly. We have discussed on the continuous impacts of one component's problems on others. For example, in Chiang Mai province, PM 2.5 has become the world's highest ranking several times. From this problem, we have discussed and researched in class, and we have found that the problem has escalated to the point that stop burning in our own area cannot be fully address the issues anymore.
This is due to many variables such as transboundary smoke and agricultural chemical aerosols that bond with PM 2.5, forming a structure that lingers in the air longer. This makes us realize that to addressing these environmental issues effectively requires a coordinated action from multiple parties, including the public, the government policies, and the international cooperation.
Furthermore, we have also participated in various activities organized by the environmental organizations such as GLOBE Thailand, which have provided various environmental activities such as training workshop, media creating competitions promoting environmental awareness, and environmental research competitions. And as you can see in this slide, Varee Chiangmai School has been actively participating in all of these activities.
The Forest Restoration Research Unit of Chiang Mai University of Varee CMU is another organization that provide a lot of valuable inspiration for us. It was established to study the research techniques, forest restoration methods, and ecosystems conservation for biodiversity and environmental preservation. In 2022, our Varee Chiangmai School has joined the Young Forest Restorers Program, or YFR, which aims to spread out the forest restoration processes to youth. During this program, we have learned everything from collecting the seeds, seedlings cultivations, until replanting the seeds into the forest restoration plots, as well as monitoring their growth too.
All of these activities lead us to create many environmental projects. which are considered the success of implementing GLOBE program into our school. We have been participating in many science project competitions and received awards from many of them. For example, here is the senior GLOBE Club member which make a project about water resources management game, which they received a grand award from the event they participate in. However, the latest achievement this year we proudly present is our own project, the relative growth rate and carbon storage among various species of trees at Mae Samai Restoring Forest, which won the championship in GLOBE SRC 2024 and received four Virtual Badge Awards from IVSS 2024.
Yes, and from our research, we have found that each tree species has different carbon storage and growth rates depending on the weather conditions and trees' physiology. As a result, selecting the trees that are suitable for the area is the things that we should put it into the consideration too. And for the GLOBE IVSS, we have 4 badges, which is I make an impact, I am a collaborator, I am a student researcher, and the last one.
And I am a data scientist.
Yes.
What we proudly present is not just the short-term success of it before, but the long-term success that has reflected environmental awareness has built and developed amongst us, and that is what we proudly present also. Once we have gained enough knowledge and experience about the environment, we have created various activities. We have created various GLOBE activities for the kindergarten and elementary school students. Subsequently, the elementary department already have created their own GLOBE clubs and started creating their own GLOBE activities and STEM education and doing research projects.
Moreover, the senior GLOBE Club member also established the VCS Eco-Active Club for high school students. They focus on the activity related to forest restoration. This is due to their participation in the Young Forest Restoration Project with Varee.
From initially being just classroom activities, GLOBE program has evolved into GLOBE Club activities for each student in each grade level with different patterns, but all aiming at raising the environmental awareness among students with an expectations to be a part of initiating change and addressing the environmental issues both locally, nationally, and globally. Our next step is to build more partners to improve our club activities. And we all know that environmental issues are borderless. Therefore, addressing them effectively should not have any boundaries either. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ